How to download Adobe Reader for Windows 7. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Google Chrome and search get.adobe.reader. Then you'll find Adobe's page. Don't download this app from any other website other than Adobe. Then click on the website. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply scroll all the way down, then click on Download Acrobat Reader. As you can see, it is being downloaded. Simply click on it and it will start installation process. And that's how you download Adobe Reader for Windows 7. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.